Yo Boys Part 3 of Construction Site.
And I'm here with Christian today.
Hello.
You guys never met him, I don't think.
Yeah. I know, but this is Part 3, not Part 1.
Oh yeah. Yeah, you guys met Christian.
He accidentally deleted the video of where you guys met before.
Yeah. So yeah, here's part 2. Oh, left to aid.
Whoa!
Yeah, exploring how good this dirt is in the land. Fire pit, I don't think it is.